So hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Billy. I'm gonna want to try experiments. Experiment as a baby. Yes, because what? This school is kind of crazy. Help me. Not only that, because her penguin is so. Nice camera. God, so annoying, so laggy. I hate that. If oh, only mommy, I need drink. Mommy, I need drink. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I don't have any. I don't have drink. Give me some drink. You're so mean. I hate you. I really hurt her. God damn it. I'm waiting. This is not playground. I mean, this is not the stage. This is true. Excuse me, mom. What is wrong with you? Mom, wake up. What the? You're so mean. I need mom or dad. Someone. Hold on. I need mom. At me. Someone, please. I just want to give some. Give a massive one. Someone. No, I need to do it again. I need. I need mom or dad. Someone, please. What is wrong with you guys? Oh god, I'm stupid. Someone. Who said that at me? Never mind. Someone? Need family, mom or dad. Please. Come on. I'm sorry. I hate this. I'm trying to give you guys something. Stop pushing me. You dinner my son. Wait, you Malaysian? I don't care. Nobody wants me. Please, I'm begging you. Can someone just handle me? I mean, you really miss you. Mom, be my mom. In this case, I just want to experience. Please, nobody suffer me. Give them food. Please. Come. Everyone is so fucking stupid. We don't see. I need me. Let me do that. But it hurts. Help. I really need it. I fucking get to this. God, nobody cares about a baby. Is it because there's a new me? Is a damn bad. Why are you against thinking of that? I mean, a dog is a pet and a baby too. Please, everybody's saying. Actually, not. Help me. I hate myself. What now? Just come on, guys. so mean. You guys hear me now? I'm stupid, I'm sorry. I'm really fucking hate this. Come on. Nobody cares. I want to be experienced as a baby. You know what? I'm off. I'm at like a lost baby, but I don't care. Like, are you, I forgot. Are you lost, baby girl? If you're watching this, Sophie, I just want to say, are you lost, baby girl? What the hell? No. Just want a goddamn family, mom or dad. Why everybody so mean? I didn't find what is she what? Come on, please, everybody. I hate you guys too. Dancing, huh? I hate TikToker, I guess. I don't know. I actually hate that Taekwondo. It's been 6 minutes. You guys suck. And I don't have any dream pad. Not gonna lie. I don't have any dream pad. Nobody cares. Look at that train. Nobody's right with it. Sorry, I can't even say R. Nobody cares. I hate this. I need family. Why nobody cares about babies anymore? I hate this happening. Even I'm wearing this or baking, I hate this game. I actually don't like it. Someone just say very psych. I'm not bored. Oh, never mind. It just stopped. TT user is enter this purpose, but I need freaking or that. I hate this happen. Why am I talking like this way? I guess. Shit. There we go. I'm sorry. What the hell was that? I really need mom or dad in this game. Nobody cares. I hate myself. Ugh. I'm just gonna play by myself then. Almost got them 10 minutes. Please. Why nobody sees me? I mean, like, am I invisible to them? I fucking hate you. I hate you. I hate you too. Ugh. This stupid guy. I'm sorry, I have to say stupid word. Oh my god, it's annoying. Nobody cares. I need mom. Just fucking shit. I really hate this airport. Nobody cares about baby only because this game is full of goddamn bets of dangerous. That's why I only have legendary dragon and I'm so sad. Just because I really want dream pet so bad. What the heck, who are you? Nobody cares, I can tell. I need to stop. I need to stop recording now. Bye.